Alright guys, so this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart, and then let me explain where entry point was here. So this is the session, so this one called session. So this is the session lower point, and that was session high. So today price opened a gap down little bit. So after that, price break this session, entered session. So let me remove, let me hide this moving average. Okay, so let me hide this one. Okay, perfect. Now you can see price broke this session. So once price break this session, so we are looking for buy. So all the way price is uptrend. So we must find out demand and supply. Okay, let me remove this line also. Okay, perfect. So it's a clear uptrend. So we have to focus this area. So pullback area. So this is called pullback area. Okay, another pullback area. So we'll resume the 1-minute chart. So later. So first, here you can see what is the main method. So when price is running an uptrend, all right, price goes up. So when giving a pullback, this entire piece, we zoom into the small time frame. So we use price action method. So here you can see right now this is 5-minute time frame. So but this area will see the price action in a 1 minute. Let me show you how they react. So means once they break this session, we are looking for buy, and we just observing the price action. So here you can see this is the price action. So let me show you this area first. Let me draw this support and resistance. Or you can see like a session breakout. So here I can see this is breakout the structure, and another here this is the support and demand zone. So here I can see breakout the structure and the demand zone. So now I can see in a small time frame 1-minute chart. Okay, so now I can see when the price pull back near this demand zone, or you can say like breakout the structure, what is the activity? So they create lower low, lower high, lower low like that, lower high, lower low, and finally drastically price drop and push back again. Now you can see failed to break. We are looking for buy only, all right, for the buy direction, because this is a session breakout and all the way price is running in an uptrend, so we are looking for buy. So finally price not able to create new lower low and push up, not able to create lower low, and price goes and create a new higher high. So once price pull back, so that will be entry point. So once enter, so basically we use 1:5 ratio. All right, so let me show you 1:5. So that is my SL almost 50 point. I kept 50 point. It's my normal 50 point, and 1:3, 150 like that. All right, 1:1.5, 1:2 like that. Okay, so now I can see my 1:3, 1:2.8, 1:3. So my target is 1:3. So it took too much time to hit my target. So here I can see. So once price hit, next you can see pull back again, right? So price drop drastically, pull back drastically. So means rubber band man start running from this area. So he have energy. So we are not looking for buy. So again he run too fast. So after that he take rest. Take rest. Again try, but not able to break this lower point. So again goes, and that is our entry point. So here I can see my entry point will be here in this area. Okay, so let me show you. So in my course we explain how exactly we place order. So basically I place 35 and 1:3. Just a minute, 1:3. Okay, perfect target here, 1:3. So in that case, when my SL is small, so I increase the lot size, and when my SL is big one, so I decrease my lot size. That is the rule. Okay. So once here you can see price goes hit this level again, fall. That's why really I use 1:3.